Alrighty, hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Phil, and I'm a boy who enjoys playing with makeup. For today's video, I am going to finally be reviewing the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette. I know this palette came out a really long time ago, and I'm just now getting around to playing with it. I bought it, and it's just literally just been sitting here. So this palette has as you can see, I already used it because I already did the look. But as you can see, it has a beautiful color story. You have 14 shades. You have 7 shimmers and metallics on the top, and then 7 mattes at the bottom. Like I said, the color I was most drawn to is this color Celestial, which Celeste happens to be on my channel. Shameless plug right there. This palette retails for $42. And it has a whimsical shade range of, let me read it, bold and bright mattes and soft pastel shimmers. Like I said, it has 7 mattes and 7 shimmers. So yeah, let's get right to the look. Alright, so let's get this video started. So we're going to dip into the Norvina palette. Let's... Alright, took everything off, out of here. Comes with a brush. I don't do brushes like them in the palettes because, you know, I'm not always as great as like the ones that like the brand comes out with, or they're always not that great. Anyways, so first we're going with the shade Base to go on top of our base. Alright, so I'm going to grab this packer brush, tap the excess, and put it all over my lid. And put some underneath as well. Okay, next we're going to go in with the shade Incense, and there is a lot of fallout. I really tapped it and it's like, it is falling down the pan. That's a lot of fallout. Okay, well let's hopefully perform good. Okay, so there is a lot of fallout with those 2 shades that I just used, but they do seem to be performing well, so that might actually make up for that. So I'm going to take this shadow, I'm also going to bring it almost close to where my contouring shadow is at, just so that it can have a little bit more dramatic effect. Okay, so next we're going to take the shade Soul, and put that all over the lid. This one doesn't have as much fallout as the other shades. Alright, so right now I'm just packing the shade on. I'm not working on blending it out. I was hoping this would be a lot more purple, but it's okay. We'll work with it. So far, all these shades do have a lot of fallout, but they do perform well. Ooh, I like this shade a lot. Okay, so now we're gonna go back with the blending brush that we had the transition shade on. I'm gonna tap into Soul a little bit, tap off the excess, and I'll blend out that outer corner, maybe the outer edge. It almost looks like a gray shade, which is kind of cool. Not what I'm going for, but kind of cool. Alright, now that we have that all set, we're just going straight into the purple metallic, and we're going into this. Now that I have everything all set, we're going to go now in with that shimmer purple shade. We're going to go in with Celestial and put it over it. It's kind of crumbling, but I think I'm going to lay it down first, and I'm going to go in with like a setting spray and then to intensify it. So yeah, here we go. Yeah, I'm going to spray the brush real quick just because there is a little bit of fallout and I want to ruin this look. Okay, so I'm going to do one last layer on top just to make everything finalized. So we're going to go in with base real quick and just go on this inner corner to kind of really define, almost creating like a cut crease type thing. Okay, so I'm done laying the purple eyeshadow. I have to say this purple was really hard to work with. It was just extra crumbly. I feel like the Fix Plus really didn't help, but other than that, it was really crumbly and kept falling all over. Maybe use it just with your fingers. Maybe that's better. Yeah, a lot of shimmers tend to work better if you just put it with your finger, which is fine, I guess. More fun to do it with a brush, especially since you pay for all of them. I want to go in with Drama, which is the shimmer shade on the corner, and put that in the outer V. I'm just going to take a clean blending brush and blend out all this to just make sure it's really all blended out. I'm actually going to dip into Incent again, just blend out the outer edge. Okay, so I want to smoke it underneath with the shade Passion. I feel like that would be a cool color to smoke it underneath. Alright, next I'm going to go in with the small blending brush and take that Passion shade and just blend it out so it's not so harsh at the bottom. So I did some work off camera. I went into the Morphe 35B Color Burst palette and I went in with the shade Purple Grape, and I kind of used that as in the outer V, kind of over the crease line to kind of create some depth. Okay, and then next I'm going to go in with this shade Dreamer right here. Okay, and then all the things that I did to this side, I'm going to do to this side, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I went in with the black shade in the Morphe palette called Pebble, and I kind of went over the crease line a little bit better just to define that. I think all the shades in total are working together, especially when I pulled in, what's it called? Grape Pop from the Morphe palette, just blended all together. It seemed to work a lot better. So yeah, so I'm going to do lashes and mascara and everything else off camera, so I'll be right back. Alrighty, and I'm back. That was quite the adventure. You know how there's that meme where one lash ends up looking larger than the other? That was me. I had to do concealer to fix it, but we're all good now. Alright, I'm going to go with the Jeffree Star Platinum Eye Skin Frost Pro palette, and I'm going to go in with the shade Lavender Snow to highlight my face. Now we're going with lips. So, purple eyeshadow. Let's do purple lips. So this is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics I'm Royalty. This is the mini from the Quality Bundle. I'm gonna put that on my lips. Next we're going to go in with Blow Bunny to give like an ombre effect. We're going to tap that just on the center of the lips. Alrighty, last and not least, we're going to go in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray and set the face. Oof. Alrighty, and we're all set. Alright, and this is the final look. I like how it turned out. It definitely was kind of an adventure to get to it. Not as bad as other palettes. So yeah, the fallout is quite a bit of a problem, but they do perform really well. So those are both kind of big pros and cons. For the shimmers, I would just say work with them with like Fix Plus or like setting spray. Work with them wet so that there's less minimal fallout. So all the shades that I did use, I did like how they went. The only thing is, I would wish that there was like a straight up matte purple shade in here. I feel like that's kind of is what's missing from this palette. But, I mean, if you're like me, you own many other palettes, and so it's fine. Oh, also I kind of wish that they would just skip out on this brush and just drop the price down, because these extra brushes, I feel they're kind of useless, and we already have brushes, so why do you want one with the palette? So would I recommend this for a friend? If this friend already had a bunch of palettes, I would say yeah, go for it. It's definitely nice. You know, you can definitely create a lot of other looks with it. You can create like pink shades, and then kind of like a shimmery gold tone look. But if this was like your first palette ever, I probably would say get another one or skip out on this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, show it some love by clicking that like button down below and share with all your friends and family. And if you enjoyed me, then show me some love by subscribing to my channel. I upload videos once a week, so be sure to click that bell notification to put every time I upload. If you wish to follow me outside of YouTube, my Twitter and Instagram are linked down below. That you also will know when I'll be uploading the video. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and have an awesome day.